Hello everyone. Now, this is the third lecture of like light, and now we are going to our next SLO objective. First, going to the objective, I am asking you a question: why and how do we see the light? Why and how? Okay, write this question, and after the lecture, you will understand why and how do we see the light. Okay, we will go to the basics physics of the light and the other things that how light we can easily see. So going to the question, first we have to elaborate what is light. In this PowerPoint lecture, we will discuss about the properties of light, colors and somehow reflections and refraction of the light. Okay, now properties of light. Light travel in a straight line as we have already discussed in our previous lecture. We take a rubber pipe, black or green or dark red color piece of pipe, 1 feet or 2 feet pipe, and place a torch on one open end of the pipe, and one eye closed. You will see with the open eye, with one eye open, you will see inside the pipe. You will see the torch on the other end of the pipe. But if you bend the pipe, what you will see? You will not be able to see the torch or the light passing through the torch, passing through the pipe after bending. This means light always travels in a straight line. Okay, now light travels much faster than sound. Obviously, as already studied, thunder and lightning start at the same time, but we will see the lightning first, and after that, we will hear the sound of thunder. In the same way, when a starting pistol of a swimming competition and running competition, starting pistol is fired, we see the smoke first and then hear the bang of the pistol. These all examples show that the light has much faster speed as compared to the sound. Light travels very fast in vacuum, about 300,000 km per second or 186 miles per second in the vacuum. This is the fastest speed ever in the universe. Okay, like this. At this speed, light can travel equivalent of 8 times approx around the world in 1 second. It means with this speed, light travel 8 rounds around the world in 1 second. Okay, or from this speed, light can travel a distance between Sun and Earth in approx 8 minutes and 30 seconds. You will assume that how much distance between Earth and Sun and light, one of the fastest thing, it will take required 8 minutes and 30 seconds to travel this distance between Earth and Sun. Okay, now light can create shadows like this, and shadows are places where light is blocked. And as we have already studied, why the shadows are produced, because of the reflection and absorption of the light from the opaque objects. Due to this, shadows are produced. Light travels in the form of wave. A wave is a disturbance that transfers energy from one place to another place. Like you throw a stone in the pond of water, and it will produce disturbance or wave inside the pond of water, and you will see the waves, formation of waves in the form of circles, and it will go through the bank of the pond. Okay, now the wave is the disturbance of transfer of energy from one place to another place. What characteristics do light waves have? Which type of characteristic light waves have? Light waves are like other kinds of waves. They have crust and trough, wavelengths, frequencies, and speeds. However, light waves are electromagnetic waves. It means if you throw a stone with full force into the pond, the wave formation are very high. It means they have highest crust and trough. Their speed is fastest. Their frequency and wavelength are greater. So, light waves are not the similar waves as water waves or sound waves, but they are electromagnetic in nature. And what is electromagnetic waves you will study it in the future higher classes. Light waves has a component that is in electric and magnetic field. Now, we see things because they reflect light into our eyes. We sing, we see things because they reflect light into our eyes. This is literally the only way we get to see the things. It is one of the only way we can see the things like this. All objects we see either create light or reflect light. Okay? Like your homework copy. Sunlight, sun producing a light and it will strike to the our copy or register and then it will reflect back to our eye which will give sensation of sight and we will see the object or book or register of visibility. Okay, now next, electromagnetic radiations. Light is a form of energy and it is called electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation comes from the sun and other resources. Electromagnetic radiation comes from the sun and other sources. It travels at the speed of light. Electromagnetic radiation travels at the speed of light and is mostly electromagnetic radiations are visible. They carry energy and these electromagnetic radiations are very important to the society and something you can't be without for any reason. Got it? Now, I am going to summarize the properties of light as we have already studied in the previous lecture. Light travels in a straight line and it is a form of energy. Light travels much faster, a million times faster than the sound. We see things because they reflect light into our eyes. If they are not reflecting light into our eyes, then it is called invisible objects. Shadows are formed when light is blocked by an object with the help of absorption or reflection. Visible light is a small part of the electromagnetic spectrum or radiation. The other parts are invisible to the human eye, but necessary the eyes of other animals. It means we see the visible light electromagnetic radiation. But animals, insects and other birds are able to see vast variety of electromagnetic radiations as compared to the human. Okay, now next. In this part, we are going to the process of reflection and how reflection form with the help of mirrors. There are two types of reflection. What do you know about reflection? Reflection is the bouncing back of light with the surface of one medium and light remains in the same medium. It will not enter into the second medium but it strike back on the same medium. Okay, this is called reflection. There are two types of reflection, regular reflection and diffuse reflection. Smooth, shiny surfaces have a regular reflection, like mirrors. They, as incident light strikes the surface, they will bounce back with the same angle to the reflecting surface or shiny smooth surface. This is called regular reflection. Rough, dull surfaces have a diffused or irregular reflection, like this. Rough surfaces, irregular surfaces, incident ray red light is coming with an angle but it is after striking it will, after reflection it will go some changed angle, and second, third, and fourth. Okay. Now diffuse reflection is when light is scattered in different directions. It means four light rays enter with the same angle and strike the irregular diffuse surface. But after striking, the reflection is in the different directions. This is called diffused reflection. Okay? Using mirrors. As a person is watching in the mirror, and with the help of two mirrors, it will see the shapes underwater. This is called periscope, using in submarines and other security devices. Second example is a car headlight. This is the shape of car headlight, and this is the bulb, and it will give the reflection, and after reflection, regular reflection, it will give you the bright light of headlight. Okay. Now next, there are some also types of mirrors or reflecting devices: plane mirror, concave mirror, and convex mirror. Convex mirror, reflecting surface is outside. Concave mirror, reflecting surface is inside. In the convex mirror, the sphere is silvered on the outside to form a reflective surface on the convex mirror, whereas in concave, the sphere is silvered on the inside to form a reflective surface on a concave mirror. Got it? Now, plane mirrors are flat and make virtual images. The image is virtual because the light rays do not come from the image. They only appear to. Okay. Now, concave mirrors are curved inward. Just remember, you go in to a cave and into a concave mirror. And convex mirrors are mirrors that curved outward. Got it? Now, convex mirrors are used for security purpose in cars. They allow us to see a wide view. The images they make are virtual images. Got it? Now, next. In this session, we have go thoroughly about the review of the reflection. Two types of reflection: regular and diffuse reflection. Mirrors come in three types: plane, convex, and concave. Each has a distinct shape and use. Mirrors can make virtual images or real images depending on their type and use. Virtual images light ray do not meet and the image is always upright or right side up, and real images always upside down and are formed when light rays actually meet. Okay. Now next is refraction of light. Refraction of light is like a transmission of light from one medium to another medium after changing the direction. Refraction is when waves speed up or slow down due to traveling in the different medium. It means when light enters from gas or air medium to the glass medium, then it will slow down its speed and direction as well. This is called refraction of light. A medium is something that light waves will travel through. We have three mediums: solid, liquid, and gases. Normally we are watching the light traveling in the gas medium, and sometimes we are watching the light traveling in the solid medium and liquid medium, where I will give you some examples in the next slides. Light rays are slowed down by the water, causing the ruler to look bent at the surface. The medium in this example are water and air. Okay. Now this is called refraction bending of the scale, like this and like this. And when you put a pencil in a glass of water, then you will see the bending of pencil in two different mediums. The degree that light bend when it enters a new medium is called the index of refraction. Okay, different mediums have a different index of refraction like diamond, glass, silica, water and other liquids. Okay, now light hitting at an angle is band and it enters or transmit from one medium to another medium, then it will bending, and after existing from the medium it will again rebending from the original position. If light is hitting the medium with an angle, it will go to the band, and if it is straight hitting on, there will be no bending of light and no change in the speed and velocity of the light. Okay, now lenses are used for the bending of light. Mirrors are used for the reflection of the light. Lenses work because of refraction of light. Light is bent as it enters a new medium, like glass. Here is two types of glasses: convex glass, convex lens or concave lens. Convex lenses have three types: plano convex lens having one side is plane and other side is convex, double concave lens having both sides are convex, and concavo convex lens having right side is convex and left side is invert side is concave. Okay, they are thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges. These convex lenses are thick at the center, okay, and thin at the edges. This is shown by your teacher in the classroom demonstration. Okay, you will see the lenses. Light rays meet to form a focal point. Makes real image. Since light rays come together from a light source but can also make virtual images depending on the position of the object. It is used in lenses, camera, telescope and human eyes. Okay, now concave lenses. As you get, they also have three main types: plano convex concave lens having one side is plane and other side is concave, double concave lens having both sides concaves, and convexo concave lens having one side is convex and other side is concave. Concave lenses are thin in the middle and thicker at the edges. Since light rays never meet with this lens, they make virtual image only. They are used in cameras and telescopes to correct the spherical aberration and also the eyeglasses. These are the main problems of the eyesight and the camera problems, which are removed by the concave lens. Okay. Now, review of the refraction. Light rays slow down when they enter a new medium. They also change their angle with respect to the medium density. So it means refraction is bending of light and decreasing of the velocity of light from one medium to another medium. Refraction can cause light rays to change their direction. All transparent materials have their own index of refraction, means angle of bending, degree of bending of light. Light is refracted when it passes through lenses and this creates the image. Now, after reflection and refraction, we are going through the some laws of refraction and mirrors. Now, in this part, we are going to the reflection from a mirror. First, take a mirror, draw a 90-degree angle, yellow line, which is called normal, and the light coming through the normal and strike the surface of mirror is called incident ray. And after reflection, it is going to the away from the mirror or normal point is called reflected ray. The of angle between normal and the incident ray called angle of incidence, and angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. This is the basic law. So according to the first law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection always. Okay. First law of reflection is angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. In other words, light gets reflected from a surface at angle 10, it hits it like this. Okay, both have same angles, same result. Okay, now after going through this, you will understand what is reflection, what is refraction, and light how we see objects with the help of light, and why and how we see the light. Thank you.